them about the stuff. I'm 25 years old. I'm not single. I'm high school graduate.
Thank you.
And I know how to cleaning around the house. And I know how to washing dishes. And I know how to washing clothes, iron them, cooking. And I'm industrious, obedient, patient, and I will do my responsible, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.